Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014, set 3, question number 52. Let del denote the minimum degree of a vertex in a graph for all planar graph on n vertices with del greater than equals to 3. Which one of the following is true? And 4 options are given. So here it's saying minimum degree should be 3. It can be 3 or more than 3. Let me take a graph example. In this graph, every vertice's degree is 3. Degree 3 means it have 3 adjacent. And we know sum of degree theorem, sum of degree equals to 2 multiplied by a. So in this case, sum of degree will be 3 multiplied by n, or you can multiply with 4, as here 4 vertices are there, equals to 2 into e. So when every vertex degree is 3 or more than 3, we can say 3n is less than equals to 2e. 3n is less than equals to 2e, we can take 2 to left side. So e will be greater than 3n divided 2. So we found e from here, and we know Euler's formula. According to Euler's formula, n plus f minus 2 equals to e. Now in place of this e, we'll substitute this value 3n divided 2. So n plus f minus 2 will be greater than equals to 3n divided 2, as this value is e and e is greater than this. And in all option, it's asking about faces. So we'll take f one side and rest other two another side, and we'll try to find what is the value of faces. So f should be greater than equals to 3n divided 2 minus n plus 2. This n was positive left side, so when it go to right side, it will be minus, and minus 2 will be plus 2. So 3n divided 2 minus n, it's n divided 2 and plus 2. Now check in which option it's present. It's present in option A. So answer will be in any planar embedding, the number of faces is at least n by 2 plus 2. I already discussed planar graph. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.